Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and this is your July monthly general reading. If you haven't already checked out the weekly Love Plus Career reading, I suggest please go and check that out after this reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In the first half of July, you've got the card of Abyss and the Magician. Woohoo! Such a positive card to have. Now let me tell you, you are an intuitive being. Okay, you are spiritual, you're wise, you're intuitive. But what is the problem in taking action? Why do you sit on it? Even if the intuition tells you everything, even if you're wise enough to know what is right or wrong for you, why do you keep on sitting on that decision? Why don't you take action towards it? Why are you delaying or procrastinating your own positive change and a positive life that you need to transform, that you're trying to manifest? Okay. Magician card talks about your manifestation powers, extremely strong. What you need to do is take action, please. This is the time to take action. If you'll keep on daydreaming and not take any action towards it, it's never going to happen. Let me just tell you. Also, when you're positive, when your manifestation powers are strong, you have to think positively. If you're trying to manifest something and you are in a very negative space, it will not manifest for you. So this month, the mantra for you is to be positive, take action. Sitting on it, daydreaming is not going to work for you. So if you like someone, go propose them. If you want a job, apply for it. If you want to go for higher studies, apply for it, right? If you want to change a job, change it. If you want to start a new business, take that first step. Anything that you're thinking, you have to take that first step. Without your action, without your input, without your effort, nothing is going to change, no matter how hard you pray or try to manifest. By sitting on it, by going into any mudra pose, that's not going to manifest things for you, right? Being positive is not the only thing. It has to be combined with action. And in your life, action is lacking. So please, if you are stuck in a negative space or if you're overthinking about it, you know it's wrong. Please stop it. Take action, control your brain. Okay. Let's see what's happening in your second half of July. You could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. Not necessary, but this sign particularly popped out. You've got the Four of Stars and the Judgment card. See, that negative things that I was talking about. You're very hurt, okay? You're very upset, disappointed in something. Maybe somebody left you, broke up with you, or you are in a no contact with somebody. You are on a crossroad where I do feel that you need to make a decision, a big life choice. Whether that's your career or that's your love, that depends on your personal life, right? But I do see that it is time to make a major decision. The judgment day has come, which means you have to make that decision. You have to pass that judgment now, and only you can do it. This should not be from a space of emotional capacity, but you have to think practically. This is a time where you will have to weigh the pros and cons. Whether this job that I'm in is it satisfying me? Is it paying me the kind of salary I deserve or the promotion that I want? Is it giving me that kind of position? If no, then you need to change it, right? The same goes for your relationship. Is this relationship fulfilling? Is it giving me love? Is the partner committing to me? Do they want to get married to me? No. If none of that is happening, you don't need to stay in that relationship. I understand that you can have difficult life choices if you're married or have kids involved, but ultimately you have to make a choice. Also, effort is lacking. If you're thinking that you make only 10% of effort and 100% transformation will happen in your life, that's not going to happen. The judgment card also talks about how much effort have you made. If you've made only 10% effort, you're only going to get 10% results, whether you have a job, business, or are we talking about relationships. If you put your 100% efforts, then only you will be able to see 100% growth in your business, in your job, or your relationships. Without your efforts, like I said, again, it's connected. Without your efforts, without your action, without your input, nothing is going to change. And you're only going to get what you are, seeds that you are sowing. So far, so good. So please make sure that you are putting the kind of work that is required or that you want. Okay, if you want something badly, please make sure that you are putting in the work. Without action, without efforts, nothing is going to transform this month. So that is the mantra for you. Please pay attention to that. Please follow this so that you're able to manifest your desires faster. And yes, the reading is very good because your life is pretty much in your hands. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Do subscribe, guys. Please show some love, subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification whenever your science reading is out. And yes, I take personal readings as well. This was a general reading. If you have any personal question that you would like to ask me, you can book a personal reading. I have packages available, rituals available, exclusive no contact and love reading available, and also counseling sessions available with me. Check out the description box for all the details, my email ID and my Instagram handle. And yes, you can either email me or DM me to know the prices and make the bookings. Guys, please follow me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot, as well, as I post all the details and the updates on a daily basis over there, including the prices. My prices are very budgeted, they're very cheap, you will love them, and every service has a cheap price versus expensive price, so you can choose whatever suits your budget. I do have typed format, audio recording, audio video call sessions also available with me. Okay, so this was your July monthly reading. I hope you guys resonated with it. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.